Today we are honored to present our digital BinMesh, that's Smart World Bin. The main goal of our project is to create an innovative and automation waste collection system that can move independently using line follower technologies. It helping keep our environment clean and efficiently. Let us now introduce my team. In my team, we have 5 members. I'm Muhammad Zakir Rifani, serving as the leader and wiring division. And together with me are.
My name is Muhammad Arenova as team and wiring division.
My name is Maulal Faiz Al-Mubarak as a programming in the division.
I am Destiny Shahida as team and mechanics division.
And I am Saskia Aulia Ramadhani as team and mechanic division.
Each of us contribute in different areas to ensure robot can perform efficiently and reliably. Okay, let me explain the problem statement. Problem statement: improperly disposed waste is a major cause of environmental damage in public areas and campus. The existing waste collection system still relies on human labor and inefficient, often resulting in accumulation and damage. We have a problem statement that detect, manage, and collect. Waste automatically maintain environmental device and efficiency. The second is system requirement review, including project deliverable purpose. The functional requirement is the robot can automatically follow a predetermined path through it can detect and carry trace to the disposal area. The third, that it can stop and start again according to program commands. The non-functional requirement is robot design must be lightweight, energy efficient, and low cost for production efficiency. The deliverables, that's a fully functional robot prototype, program code, technical report, and project presentation as the final deliverables. The three is system. We have a system diagram and mechanical concept, also program algorithm. The system diagram is the Arduino Uno R3 replica that acts as the main controller. Infrared sensor or IR light tracker that detect black or white lines on the floor. 3. Ball caster that as the driver. 4. DC motor plus motor driver L298M that drive the left and right wheels. 5. Ultrasonic sensor that detects the presence of human or trash in front of the bin. 6. The servo motor that's open and close seamless. And last, that battery or power supply that's for system power source. The mechanical concept, the one is basic frame that's rectangular and used to DC motor and to bell caster. 2. Like a servo-driven translation. 3. An IR sensor is placed on the front underside of the pipe to control to read the line. 4. That an ultrasonic sensor is placed on the top front to detect the presence of people or trash. Last, electronic component that Arduino, battery, PCB, and wire are on the rim of the trash. The program algorithm is one is start, then that's initialize sensor and motor, then read line sensor data, or if the line is in the middle, that move straight ahead. And if the line is only on the left, that's turn left. Then if the line is only on the right, that's turn right. Then the second is read ultrasonic sensor. If the distance is 15 centimeters, then the motor going to stop. Then open the barrel lid. That means servo is open. Then wait 5 seconds. Then close again. Then continue to driving and last repeat from step 3. That's mean red line sensor data.
Okay, I will explain hardware selection program in flowchart. Firstly is Arduino Uno Mega as the control center. Secondly, infrared sensors or IR line tracker that takes black white lines on the floor. Next is robot caster. Robot caster as the driver. Next is DC motor plus motor driver LN L29AM as drivers the left and right wheels. Ultrasonic sensor as the detect the presence of human or trash in front of the bin. Next is servo motor for opens and closes the bin lid. Next is battery or power supply for system power source.
Final 3D model, system simulation result. All components functional, like Arduino Mega, M1 sensor, Neolithic gear motor, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, and battery. But for battery holder, no function. Subsystem testing. At the bottom there are sensors which aim to run the line. The servo motor is located on the line of the trash can and is useful for opening and closing the trash can interval.
And the final 3D design details for the line following trash can robot. The first trash can frame made of cardboard, housing the motor, wheels, component, and caster. 2 DC drive wheels on the left and right bottom, 2 caster at the bottom front for stability, and EM sensor at the bottom front for following the line, ultrasonic sensor at the top front for detect hand and trash. Arduino Mega and small component housed inside the casing, and the last servo motors include gas can link.
So this is our final electronic system scheme. The main purpose of this section is to ensure that all connection between components are ready for assembly. For the first, we have lens sensor with three line. Connect to pins D1, D2, and D13 for on the Arduino. The sensor function to detect the line on the floor. Next, we have 2 DC motors, which are the left and right motor. They are connected to pins D7 and D5 on Arduino for forward of the core component. Then there is a servo motor, which is used to move the trash bin lid mechanism. It is connected to pin D11 for the signal and 5 volt and GND for power. With this setup, the servo can automatically open and close the trash lid when an object is detected in front of the robot. Next, we have ultrasonic sensor, which function to detect object in front of the robot. It is connected to pin D9 as for the echo, D9 for the D9 for the trigger, and echo in D10 in pins in on Arduino. Finally, the other section is powered by a 9-volt battery, which supplies power to both the Arduino and the motor driver. This ensures that all components operate stably and efficiently. Next.
Okay, this is a final program for ready to upload to Arduino. First, a brief description of the final program logic. 1. The robot follows the black line by reading 3 ER sensor. 2. If the center sensor detects black, it moves right ahead. 3. If only left, it turns left. 4. If only right, it turns right. 5. The ultrasonic sensor detects an object in front of him distance 15 centimeter, and the robot stops. The servo opens the barrel lid for 5 seconds, then closes it again. 7. The robot continues its journey. This is example for our program. For one more, this is a link. You can screenshot or photo if you want to see our program. Thanks.
From the timeline, the first search for idea and concept development, we spent 3 weeks, and 3D design, electrical and programming, we spent 3 weeks. For mechanical, we spent 8 weeks, and implementation and operation, we spent 4 weeks. And budget plan, we have 400,000, and for this all component we expend 311,000.
So this is resource management. The project team, 5 people with 1 leader and electrical, 2 mechanical, 1 programmer, and 1 electrical. For the equipment, we use laptop, multimeter, soldering iron, screwdriver, breadboard, measuring tools, ruler, stationery, tape, glue gun, cardboard, scissors, and cutter. For time research, we spend 24 weeks for total concept. The physical research, we use electronic laboratory and project workspace. For the information research, we use Arduino reference, line follower programming tutorial, and design tutorial.
Okay, maybe that's explained that from us, from this presentation. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.